Alright, look at Sugarland Memorial Park. Wow, look at this. It is flooding like crazy. Wow. The parking lot is completely flooded up. Wow. The sidewalk is completely flooded. As you can tell, this park is completely closed off for all the flood. I wonder how long it's gonna take for this water to dry out. Look at the dog park, it's flooded as well. What do you think about this, folks, in Sugarland, Texas? I guess once we fade out, I'm gonna turn my camera off. Excuse the wind blowing in the camera mic. Alright, I guess that'll be it.